Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 versus a Samsung Galaxy A20. And Y9 is giving you a high silicon Kirin 710F processor with a 4GB RAM, while the A20 is giving you a Samsung Exynos 7884 processor with a 3GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And A20 is giving you a 720p with a Super AMOLED display, while the Y9 is giving you a Full HD IPS LCD display. So let's see how much a difference between both of these phones. And Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 is faster, and Samsung Galaxy A20 is right behind, 1 or 2 second difference there. Everything is closed up in the background like always, and the first application is the phone dialer, and that is faster on the Y9, and A20 is right behind. Settings and faster on the Y9, and A20 is very slower. Mic lock and faster on the Y9, and A20 is right behind. So launching some more application like the calendar application, and that was about the same on both phones. Launching the My Files application on both phones, and seems like I think A20 this time is just a tiny bit faster there. Launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush Saga. And faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and Samsung Galaxy A20 is right behind, 1 second difference there. Next application is the calculator, and that is faster on the Y9, and A20 is right behind. And next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, and Y9 is giving you a full view display without notch, without hole, and Y9 is faster, and A20 is right behind, 1 or 2 second difference there. Last game application we have the Temple Run 2, and seems like Huawei Y9 is again faster there. Yes, it is faster than the Samsung Galaxy A20 with the Exynos 7884 processor inside the A20. And you can see in this application about 2 or 4 second difference between both of these phones. So last opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and faster on the Y9, and A20 is right behind. And Y9 is giving you a 16 megapixel pop-up selfie camera. It is a very unique feature which you don't see in this price range. Launching at the same time, and faster on the A20, but Y9 is giving you a very unique feature. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Samsung Internet versus a Google Chrome on the Y9, and I have launched the internet browser on both phones. First website is the wikipedia.org, faster on the Y9, and A20 is still taking some time. And now it is also done, looking very smooth on both phones. Next up is the apple.com, and seems like I think A20 is open the website first, and Y9 it is faster there, and A20 is also right behind, about 2 or 4 second difference in this website speed, looking very smooth. Let's see the RAM measurement on both phones, and 4GB RAM versus a 3GB RAM on the A20. And that got refresh on the Y9 with a 4GB RAM, and that got refresh on both phones. Again refresh on both phones, and the games is also got refresh on both phones, and again refresh, and the Subway Surfer is also got refresh on both phones, and this game is not refresh on the A20. And last is the internet browser on both phones, And overall I'd say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019, and Samsung Galaxy A20 is right behind to the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. RAM management is much better on the A20. I hope the RAM management will improve some software updates in the future. Thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 versus the Samsung Galaxy A20. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.